Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Rinse sea moss thoroughly under cold water for 3 to 5 minutes, removing sand and debris and checking for shells. After rinsing, soak with fresh water and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice for 12 to 24 hours to rehydrate and neutralize marine tang. Drain and reserve soaking liquid, then blend the sea moss with 1 cup water to a smooth gel. Strain if desired to remove fibrous bits and adjust texture. Chill the gel for at least 1 hour before use to firm the consistency. Add 1 cup fruit like mango or pineapple to mask taste and provide bright tropical sweetness that complements sea moss. For subtle sweetness without overpowering, use 1 tablespoon honey or 2 teaspoons maple syrup per serving and blend until uniform. Adjust to your preference. Mix with 1/2 cup coconut milk and 1/2 banana for creaminess and a neutral base that softens iodine notes, or add 1 scoop protein powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and a pinch of cinnamon for more complex flavor. Start with 1 teaspoon daily, increase to 1 tablespoon over 2 weeks so your taste and digestion adapt gradually, and you can evaluate flavor combinations. Store gel in an airtight jar in the refrigerator up to 3 weeks at 40 degrees F or freeze in ice cube trays for up to 6 months. Thaw cubes as needed to preserve freshness. Use sea moss in smoothies, dressings, or soups up to 1/4 cup per recipe, balancing salty or acidic ingredients like soy sauce or lemon to minimize marine taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.